Welcome to Mastering and Guideline in Ultrasound and Echo. Hi everyone, here we have a 68 years old patient has been intubated and the doctor is suspicious for the pulmonary embolism. You are going to do echo, and this is the only best view for plaques. The only windows we can see it. On the subcostal, unfortunately, patient has distension and gas, and we don't have any subcostal view. First of all, what significant abnormal and important abnormal finding you can see on this? Second, if this is your whatever you have view, how you can get from this view and window PSAX, correct PSAX? Is that possible or not? How? Third, since you don't have other, not plaques, not the subcostal view, how you can check pulmonary artery and pulmonary valve and those bifurcation? What is your option? Here we have another case. Patient has shortness of breath, and we are going to evaluate for pulmonary hypertension. You get it. Your best view for the plaques is this one. Is that correct view for plaques or not? For any of those, yes or not. What is your reasoning? And explain why is not correct or why is correct. Second, and how you fix it, how you can fix it if this is wrong plaques view. Second, beside of the aortic valve calcification and maybe some degree of the aortic stenosis, beside of that, do you see any significant other finding? And if you can see, how you can prove that one?